This week you are going to be working on lab task card number 8. Make sure that you have lab task card number 8 in front of you. You're also going to need your scale book. If you do not have a scale book with you, press stop now and get one from me. The first thing that you're doing today is you are going to work on rhythms that are on the rhythm task cards. After you have clapped and counted these rhythms, you're going to practice improvising these on the black keys. If you remember, improvising is when you are playing music that you're making up in your mind. Okay? One of the things that we want to be able to do as pianists is not only play music that's been written by others, but we want to make the music that we feel and we hear inside of us. All right? We want to be well-rounded pianists, and learning how to improvise is one of those ways that we can do that. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to clap and count the rhythms that are on the cards in your folder. For instance, this is one of the cards that could be found. And we would start at the beginning. We have 4 beats and a measure. And notice, this is a pretty easy one because it's all quarter notes. But we would clap it or tap it. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now, I could play that on any black key with my right hand or my left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Doesn't matter what black key, doesn't matter what finger, right hand or left hand. Okay? And I'm going to put that up on my music stand. Okay? My next card, I would clap or tap, and count 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on black keys, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm going to put that up on my ledge. Okay. My next card here is a 3-4. If you have any that have a time signature that does not match, you want to put that one down. For this piece, you need to have cards that match. Okay? You want to be all in the same rhythm. Okay? All in the same time signature. So, we could use this card. It's 4-4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you were clapping or tapping and counting with me. I'm going to put that up on my music stand. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to work on improvising with that. Right hand, left hand, black keys only. We're going to use black keys for a couple lessons when we improvise. That way it's easier for us. Okay, less choices. We're going to take those cards, starting from left to right, and we're going to play those rhythms. Be on your left hand or right hand, fingers 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever you want to do. If you want, for extra effect, you can use the far right pedal. Okay? Now it's your turn to try. So, pick 2 or 3 cards, clap and count, or tap and count, put them on your stand, and then improvise a melody with those cards. Have fun. When you're done, come back to the video. The next thing that you are going to do is take out your scale book. Okay? You're going to practice the C, G, and D pentascales. That is the 5-finger major scale. Okay, locate that page. 5-finger pentascale, 5-finger major scale. Okay. First, you're going to try your hands separate. You'll do your right hand, then your left hand. Then you're going to try to put your hands together. This may be your first time seeing a scale, and that's okay. If you will notice in the scale book that the finger numbers are written on the keys that you're supposed to use. Okay? You're going to be using white keys. You may be using a black key. All right? But the finger numbers are written there for you. Take note of which is your left and which is your right. Start with the C scale. When you've done that 3 times, hands separate, hands together, then you're going to move on to the G, then on to the D. See how many you can get done. When you're finished, what you're going to do is you are going to improvise, right? You're going to make up a musical piece that is based on the notes of the C scale. So you'll want to have the C scale, the C pentascale, the C 5-finger major scale in front of you, because you're going to use those keys to make up a piece of music. And you're going to title that music Sunrise. So you want to play something that reminds you of the sunrise. Have fun.